Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate you are getting this error Windows level update KB5121003 or KB5120708 not installing on Windows level. If you're getting this error, I have a provide best to provide solution. That solution you will try to in this problem easily resolve. So don't waste our time. Let's get that solution. Then first step, you will try this first step of corrupted files delete in file explorer. So it is safe and secure. So you can go to open the file explorer, then we can go to open the local disk C, then select the Windows folder, then scroll down until find the software distribution folder, double tap to open. Here selected all, then right click, delete all folder. After that you come to back from this the file explorer, then you can go to do it the next step of after restart, then you can go to do it. Then first of all, you can go to the start menu and click on the power button and select the restart to restart your system. Then you can go to check if it is working or not in Windows level update. If this try to does not work, then you can go to through the next solution. The next solution, troubleshoot Windows update. So we can go to click on the Windows search bar and type that settings. Here in the search bar, type Windows update. Then below there are find and fixing problem with the Windows update. Just click on it. Here you can see new pop-up, then you can click on the next. It is process, sometimes it will be processing that process finished. After that you will come to back from the that pop-up, then you can go to restart your system, then you can go to do it the Windows update if it is working or not. Again that step try to it resist, then you can go to through the next solution. The next solution, delete temporary file. So you can go to the Windows search bar and type that delete temporary files, type the temporary files. Just click on this tool. This tool try to remove temporary files. So here available, there are available temporary files. Just click on it, then scroll down, then selected delivery optimized under temporary files, thumbnails, temporary internet files, and direct shader catch file, and Windows error report and feedback diagnostic. It is once it select, then hit the remove files, click to remove. After that you will come to back from this pop-up, then you can go to do it the next solution. The next solution, command promote. So you can go to that Windows search bar and type that cmd and right click on the command promote and select the run as administrator. These methods run to resolve this problem. So command promote inside type, you can go to open the your web page. So you will open the web browser. Here you can go to type Mr. Learning Way. There are only available that commands. So here you can click on this blog post, then scroll down. Here you can one by one copy, then here paste, then close it, then finally exit. Then you come to back from this our website, then you can go to do it the next solution. The next solution, services. Just you can go to verify if it is enabled or not. So you can go to the Windows search bar and type that services. Just click to open, then scroll down until find the Windows update. Just select and right click, then select the properties. Here you can see startup type is default set for automatic or not. If it is not, then you select the automatic. After that you can below check if the service status is stopped. Just start to change and hit the apply and work it to optimize your Windows settings. Then you come to back, then you can go to through the next solution. The next solution, Windows file scanner. This tool try to scan your corrupted files and mistaken files. So you can go to open the file explorer. Here you can go to select or choose local disk C and right click, then select the properties. Here you can go to click on the tools, here available that tool. Just you click on the check to verify. Just click on the scan drive. Don't stop until processed. Then you will go back after finished the scan. Just a few seconds, that's it. Okay, just hit the close to come to back. Then come to back from the file explorer. After that, you can go to do it restart your system. Then your problem will be solved. After that, you can go to the Windows search bar and type that settings. You can click to open. Then we can go to click on the Windows Update tab, and here you can go to click on the recent update to your problem will be solved. You will see. And don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.